Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll see how to install Bootstrap. So in order to run Bootstrap you need to run a command npm install bootstrap -- save under your project folder. So here in my case the project folder is hello world app. So what I do, I say npm install bootstrap save. So once I hit enter, the node package manager will download the bootstrap dependencies and it will save under node modules folder. So if you see, once as of now I have bootstrap installed, so I can see the bootstrap folder over here. You can see right under node modules I have bootstrap and I have bootstrap.css. So this file I need to include. The second step is I need to include this file under styles.css in styles.css. This is the second step. Import this. So node modules bootstrap this css bootstrap.css. Similarly, you need to install, the next thing is you need to install bootstrap icons. So for that you need to run a command npm install bootstrap icons -- save, and then you need to add this line in style.css file, that is import node modules bootstrap icons font bootstrap icon css. So here it is bootstrap.css and this is bootstrap icons.css. So I have included both of them, bootstrap as well as bootstrap icons. Now let's see an example of how this works. So in previous videos we have seen how to write use star ng for html table tab. So same example I'll be using here, but let us see what happens. I have taken a collection of cars as an array which is having 3 different objects. Okay, so I have 3 objects, let's say. Okay, yeah, so it has name, price and is checked. I need to display this in a table format. Let's say table tr. First I'll be writing the headers. What do I have? Name of the car, name, price and is checked. Okay, is checked might be like it's verified or it's checked, the service is checked, whatever. I'm just taking some random value. So name, price is checked. These are the 3 column headers. Now what I do, I need to say star ng for and say let car of call cars, collection of cars. I need to use tt car dot name, right? And in another section I need to say car dot price and then car dot is checked. Okay, so let's see what has happened over there. Yeah, so I am able to see some values here. Name, price is checked. Let me put some border. Yeah, so I have installed Bootstrap and I have imported the css file in styles.css. So the, if you can see the change in text style and text font and the style of table has been changed. So why it is? Because Bootstrap will not fall, Bootstrap will add additional elements or style onto the native HTML. Like for example, it has its own set of um, classes. Like for example, let me go to the tables. So how do you see this Bootstrap page? Just go to bootstrap.com and say suppose you want to work with table, Bootstrap table. This is like a document where you can refer what kind of table format you need. Like you need it like this or this, or there are different types of table you can use. You can choose whichever you want. Like I will be choosing this class. So these are the class which are present in bootstrap.css. You can, once you install Bootstrap, you can directly use this. Say, how do you use that? The document says you should use it on table tag. So table will have class table start columns. Okay. Next, mm, yeah. And how do you use the structure of table? It's like this. So Bootstrap gives a different structure. You might have used only tr with th and tr with td in your table structure, but you need to include this t head and t body according to Bootstrap. Yeah. Now let us see what is happening in the background. Yeah. Now you can see you have name, price, and ease check. So I am currently using this, I guess, striped columns, but we need, yeah, just table striped. We'll use this class, table striped. Yeah. So we have table striped. Now the values of each checked is in boolean, right? True, false, and true. This we can make it. Um, we can change it to icons instead of using true, false, and true. Okay, let's try to add Bootstrap icons in place of these. Let's go to icons. Just say icons, Bootstrap icons, and learn more about Bootstrap icons. Here you can say, mm, if there are so many icons, you can filter out. Like I want check. Yeah, I want this icon. So how do I use it? Just copy this and use it here. Just use it for now. I'll tell you how to do that. So now you can see I'm using the Bootstrap icons as AST, but as of now I'm just displaying it, but I want to display it based on a condition is checked. Now I'm not using any condition like car is checked or not. I'm just displaying the icon. So now I'll add a condition ng if is equal to car dot is checked. Based on this condition, you give me this class and the color of it should be green if it is checked, else it should be red, right? If not checked, the color should be red. So let me save it and run it, and you can see Audi is checked, BMW is according to the data. See, according to the data here, Audi is true, so it is checked. BMW is false, so is not checked, it's in red. And Benz is checked is true, so it's in green, it's checked. So this is how it works. Say suppose this data tomorrow comes from JSON, so it will work as per the value boolean over here. Like for example, if both are false, the BMW and these are false, see, um, BMW and Benz are showing in red. So this is how it works. If all are true, all are checked. So this is how Bootstrap and Bootstrap icon works. You can use n number of Bootstrap icons which you want according to your need. So you can refer this page, Bootstrap icons and bootstrap.com. I mean bootstrap.com, you get a number of things like accordion or table, or how to use pop-ups and drop downs, whatever you want. You just search it and use it in your HTML page. I hope you have understood. Thank you.